Welcome to the Nourish kitchen. In this video, we will demonstrate how to cut a variety of vegetables. First, you will need the following equipment: a cutting board, a damp towel, and the knife you most commonly use at home. Let's start by cutting a head of broccoli. Holding broccoli with the head facing down, trim florets working around the base, just like this. The stem of the broccoli head is edible. You just need to make sure it's a similar cut to the florets so that they cook evenly together. Next, let's shred cabbage. First, remove any outer leaves, then quarter the cabbage. Place cabbage on the cutting board with the core side down. Slice the cabbage from top straight down through the core. Now that you have a quartered cabbage, cut the core at a slight angle. If you want to roast or grill pieces of cabbage, keep them quartered. To shred the cabbage, slice each quarter, and depending on the type of shred you want, you can slice it in a lengthwise manner or in a larger shred. Let's dice the sweet potato. Cut a sweet potato in half. Continue to cut in half until it is the right size to dice. Let's ribbon cut and dice Swiss chard. Hold the Swiss chard by the stem with one hand. Using the other hand, form an OK sign at the base of the leaf. Pull across the stem of the leaf to separate the stems from the leaf. Stack the leaves and then roll them together. If your leaves are long, you can cut them in half. Starting with one end, make slices to make very thin ribbons. The stems are also edible. Gather the stems and dice together. There you have it, some different knife skills you can use next time you're in the kitchen. Thank you for cooking with us. Hope you enjoy.